In the magical forest of Eldoria, where dreams came to life and reality twisted into fantastical shapes, there lived two young adventurers named Draco and Luna. They were known throughout the land for their bravery and curiosity, always seeking out new and wondrous sights in the enchanted forest. One day, Draco and Luna decided to explore the enchanted forest. They came across a wise old owl named Oliver, who was perched on a tall oak tree.
Hello, young ones. What brings you to this part of the forest?
We're just exploring and having fun, Oliver.
Yeah, and I'm trying to be a better friend by not scaring anyone.
As they continued their journey, they met a family of rabbits hopping around a meadow. The baby rabbits were playing a game of tag.
Do you want to play with us, Draco and Luna?
We'd love to play, my friend.
I promise to be gentle and not scare anyone.
Draco, Luna, and the rabbits played together, filling the meadow with laughter and joy. Draco realized that making others happy was the best kind of fun. After a fun day playing with the rabbits, Draco and Luna decided to venture deeper into the enchanted forest. They soon found themselves at the edge of a sparkling river.
Look, Draco. The river is so beautiful. Let's follow it and see where it leads.
Great idea, Luna. Maybe we'll find something exciting.
As they walked along the riverbank, they heard a faint cry for help. Draco and Luna rushed towards the sound and found a little fox trapped on a small island in the middle of the river.
Help, help! I can't swim back to the shore.
Don't worry, we'll help you.
Hold on tight. I'll use my wings to fly you back to safety.
Draco carefully flew over to the island and gently picked up the fox with his claws. He then flew back to the shore and set the fox down safely.
Thank you so much, Draco and Luna. I was so scared.
We are glad you're safe now. Always be careful near the river.
Helping others feels really good. I'm happy we could save you.
Draco and Luna continued their journey, feeling proud of their good deed. They soon came across a mysterious cave hidden behind a waterfall.
Wow, look at that cave. Should we explore it?
Absolutely. Let's see what adventures await us inside.
With a sense of excitement and curiosity, very helpful and inquisitive Draco and Luna entered the cave, ready for whatever challenges and surprises lay ahead. I'm waiting at Story Lover Kids with many moral stories for you. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.